Hey everybody, it's Alex here, and today I'm going to be giving you a review of the Amex Cash Magnet card. Here in this channel, I want to show you how to make your money work hard for you, and the Cash Magnet card is exactly the card to do that. So we are going to take a look at the benefits of the card, the rewards, and why getting this credit card is a very good decision to make. If you are new to this channel, a warm welcome, and hopefully you'll find answers about credit cards, saving money, growing your income, investing, and saving for retirement. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. So as I don't wanna waste your time with silly calls to smash or crush any like button, I would get straight to the point by telling you that I wasn't really a fan of the Amex Cash Magnet in the beginning. But after spending a few days with it, I've decided to do this review for you guys because the Amex Cash Magnet is actually a really decent credit card. Now, full disclosure, a simple cashback card, American Express Cash Magnet has a basic reward structure. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. It's a good card if you don't want to track categories or want to organize your purchases to control your debt. Despite the fact that it's only a 1.5% cashback reward rate on everything you buy, it's still simpler. No need to keep up with rotating categories, spending caps, or complicated redemption options. You may also choose this card if you need to pay off a large purchase. Customers who apply for a new credit card can get up to 15 months of interest-free purchases. This American Express Cash Magnet has a reasonable introductory bonus and easy requirements. When you spend $1,000 on your card within 3 months of the account opening, you can earn $200. So you would have to spend just $334 per month in order to achieve this amount, which is reasonable to charge groceries, gas, and regular expenditures to your card. However, there is a catch. You may not be eligible for the welcome bonus on the American Express Cash Magnet card if you've previously opened and closed a lot of credit cards. An American Express disclaimer has been revised recently to clarify that it may consider the number of cards you have opened or closed along with other factors when determining your eligibility for the welcome bonus. Now, you will be informed whether you qualify for the welcome bonus before American Express pulls your credit report. If your application is deemed ineligible, you have the option to cancel it. The bottom line here is the applicants need to take care when applying for the American Express Cash Magnet card and be aware of the application process in order to make sure they qualify for the welcome bonus on this particular card. So moving forward, a lot of people were wondering what is the Cash Magnet credit limit. Well, the Amex Cash Magnet credit limit will be determined based on your credit history, debt, and income. Although they don't reveal the exact limit before applying, most users report having access to between $3,000 to $10,000. So guys, the American Express Cash Magnet card may be the best fit for consumers who yearn for the utmost simplicity. However, let's take a look at the fine print and see the disclosures provided by the American Express. So, the interest rates. Now, the regular APR is between $13.99 and $23.99 APR. Purchase intro APR is 0% on purchases for 15 months, followed by a regular APR of $13.99 to $23.99. So a variable APR, right? Now, fees. The annual fee is 0, which is a good thing. The cash advance is either $10 or 5% of the amount of each cash advance, whichever is greater. Foreign purchase transaction fee is 2.7% of each transaction after conversion to US dollars. So the fees are pretty standard fees for a cashback credit card, although you should be aware of the 2.7% foreign transaction fee charged on purchases made outside the US. Now, in terms of the value that you get by applying for this card, American Express Cash Magnet is a good deal for those who have good credit and would like to earn something on their purchases but don't want any complications. So you get 1.5% cashback on everything you buy, which could be more, but is it at least straightforward? There is no need to keep track of rotating categories, spending caps, or complex redemption options. At the same time, this card allows you to earn unlimited cashback, and you will never need to worry about choosing the right rewards card for the right store. This can help you prevent problems when it comes to your rewards game. Promotions on new cards offer 0% interest rates for 15 months on purchases, which is an excellent offer. The card introductory 0% interest offer is for purchases and lasts 15 months, which is the same length of time as many other introductory offers. So what you can do with this card, you can take advantage of 15 months interest-free credit on upcoming purchases. You can keep your balance down with the paid feature, but it's nothing special since you can do this with any credit card. At the same time, you might find that 15 months 0% APR offer to be really useful, though if you are planning to spend a large sum but paid off under the planned feature. So very easy. If you use a calculator, you can figure out how much you will need to pay each month to pay off the loan within a certain number of months. Although there is a preset fee, there is no interest charged. It is important to plan your purchases around your budget. So you can also spend less money and eliminate your debt sooner with this method than if you made minimal payments. You get a fixed monthly fee, but there is no interest, so you'd save money. However, this card no longer offers a 0% APR balance transfer. Last time when this card actually offered this offer, it was for 15 months. You can still find a 0% APR on balance transfer and purchases on many other cards, but not with this one. There are also limited redemption options. One thing you should know about this card is that you cannot earn membership reward points. Now with cashback rewards, you can redeem your cashback for statement credits, merchandise and gift cards. The major downside of this card rewards program is the fact that redemption options are very limited. You can't transfer points earned with this card to airline or hotel partners, for example. Most cashback is redeemable only as a statement credit if you have earned $25. Although American Express says that it may occasionally offer other options such as gift cards or merchandise, it typically only offers the statement option. Now, many cashback cards offer more redemption options and do not have a minimum like American Express Cash Magnet. Of course, there is nothing complicated about earning rewards on this card, and that's precisely the draw. You'll earn a flat 1.5% cashback for every dollar you spend, with no limits on how much you can earn. Well, in fact, you can find cards that pay even higher rewards rates, even up to 2% in some cases. If you want to receive $200 in rewards, make sure you spend $1,000 within your first 3 months. People often accomplish this by paying routine bills on their cards and then immediately paying them off to avoid raising your credit utilization too much in the long run. After that, use your card wherever you go to get as much cash back as you can. Now, other features of this card include rental car collision insurance secondary to your own policy and receive up to $50,000 in coverage per rental agreement if your rental car sustains damage or theft, or you are on the hook for other covered charges. Travel and emergency hotline, free shipping through ShopRunner membership, sports, music and event ticket pre-sales, plus VIP access at some events. While minimum requirements on cashback and reward credit cards may vary in different cases, consumers with good credit, FICO score between 670 and 730 apply for many of them. However, consumers with credit scores of 740 or above are most likely to get approved for these and similar cards. In reality, Amex Cash Magnet actually requires a minimum credit score of around 700, just like most other Amex cards. Now, a number of other factors can also affect American Express' decision to approve your application, such as your income, debt-to-income ratio, and prior credit card history. Although you don't have to guess Amex approval odds, you can get them directly from Amex by using its pre-qualification tool. You can enter your name, your address, the last 4 digits of your social, and your annual income, then press View My Card Offers. If you see Cash Magnet among those cards, you will likely be approved for, and it means your Amex actually Cash Magnet approval odds are high, which is around 90%. But remember, it's still possible to be rejected even if you are pre-qualified for a card. So guys, if you're looking for a basic cashback card with access to Amex offers, the American Express Cash Magnet card might be a good choice. With its unlimited 1.5% cashback on purchases, the card does not offer a competitive advantage over other cashback reward cards. You receive an introductory APR rate on purchases and a welcome bonus that is pretty standard. For these benefits, the card may offer additional value over better cashback cards. However, some consumers may definitely find a card with a better overall value. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a great time. So if you did, please don't forget to let me know in the comments if you got any value from this video. It's 2021, so please subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you soon.